In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to disconnect Google Drive from Notion. This process is quite straightforward, and I'll guide you through each step, ensuring that by the end, you'll have successfully unlinked your Google Drive from Notion. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to open Notion on your device. Take your time to sign into your account so that you're ready to make these changes. Once you're logged in, you'll be greeted by your Notion workspace. Now focus your attention on the left sidebar, where you should see various options. Search for the Settings option in this sidebar. It might be somewhere towards the bottom or slightly different depending on the version you're using, but it's usually quite easy to spot. Clicking on it will open up a new set of options tailored to help manage your Notion preferences and integrations. Next, you'll need to navigate to the Connections section. In some versions of Notion, this might be labeled as My Connections. Even though the wording might differ, rest assured it's referring to the same area. This section is your hub for managing all the services linked with your Notion account. Go ahead and click on it. Now that you're in the Connections section, take a moment to locate Google Drive in the list of services you've connected with Notion. This page displays all the third-party tools and accounts you've previously linked, so it might include others beyond Google Drive. Once you spot Google Drive, you'll notice two options next to it. These options typically say disconnect or remove access. By selecting either of these, you are choosing to sever the link between Google Drive and Notion. But before you do, ensure that this is precisely what you want, as doing so will end any ongoing sync between the two platforms. After clicking Disconnect or Remove Access, Notion will prompt you to confirm your choice. This step is just a precaution to make sure that you're certain about your decision. The prompt might read something like, "Are you sure you want to disconnect Google Drive?" Or, "Do you wish to remove access to Google Drive?" Confirming this will complete the process. And that's all there is to it. You have successfully disconnected Google Drive from your Notion account. Remember, you can always relink the services if you decide to integrate them again by going back to the Connections section. Thank you for watching, and I hope this step-by-step guide has been helpful. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below. Have a great day.